Is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 finally the upgrade we've all been waiting for? Stick around. I'll walk you through the parts that actually matter: display, battery, safety, and the one health feature that might change how you sleep. And by the end, I'll tell you who should pre-order and who should wait. Quick teaser: if you live for long adventures or hate charging every night, this one might make you forget where your charger lives. But there's one small catch I'll reveal later. Apple didn't blow up the case. They slimmed the bezel. That tiny move gives a 422 by 514 LPTO3 OLED always-on retina that's brighter at wider angles and can run a true ticking second hand without you raising your wrist. The frame is 3D printed from 100% recycled titanium, which sounds fancy because it is lighter, tougher, and uses less raw material. In plain terms, it looks chunky and rugged, reads great in sunlight, and feels like it belongs on the wrist of someone who hikes past the Wi-Fi range. Here's the headline: up to 42 hours of normal use, 72 in low power mode, and fast charging that gets you to 80% in approximately 45 minutes, or a realistic 15-minute top-up for approximately 12 hours of use. Apple credits a better display, a larger battery, and redesigned radios for the gains. The surprising twist? It's running the S10 Silicon. Efficient, familiar, and power smart, so you get battery wins without a dramatic chip drama. Later, I'll explain why that same chip matters if you want on-device AI or smarter Siri. This is where Ultra 3 most clearly flexes. Every model has cellular, and now supports 5G RedCap for faster, lower-power data. More important for outdoors people: on-device satellite messaging. No iPhone tether required if you've got Sky above you. Emergency SOS via satellite is included. Apple's 2-year free window applies. And Apple beefed up antennas and radios to double signal strength. Translation: if you get truly off-grid, your watch becomes a legit lifeline. And that's worth a lot more than a fancy face when things get real. Apple added hypertension detection, FDA review pending in many regions, and a sleep score to help turn bedroom data into actionable improvements. Workout Buddy arrives too, a virtual coach that actually talks you through a session, plus precision dual-frequency GPS, advanced cycling and swim metrics, backtrack for retracing paths, and Oceanic Plus dive support. In short, it's built as a sports watch first, smartwatch second. If you serious train or dive, those extra sensors and tools change the conversation from cool gadget to training partner. So who should buy and who should wait? If you're upgrading from an older series watch or you need satellite safety, longer battery life, or the bigger, brighter display, Ultra 3 is a clear step up. If you already own an Ultra 2 and your life is mostly desk, gym, home, the gains are nice, not essential. At $799 and shipping September, 19 with pre-orders live, this is the Ultra for explorers, endurance athletes, and anyone who actually hates charging every night. So what do you think? Are you grabbing one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Tell me your must-have Ultra feature. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the follow-up, where I compare Ultra 3 versus Ultra 2.